So we are looking on Callable. So we remember that Callable is a runnable that returns something to you. It's not really a runnable that returns. You can think of it like that. It gives you that opportunity that when the task is complete, it returns back something to you. It could be anything. So to demonstrate that, we have Callable here. I've created a class called Vectorial. So what this class is going to do for us, you give it a number and it calculates a factorial of that number and it returns it back to back to you. So what we are doing here, we are just introducing a delay so that it gives us an illusion that we get something in the past. We don't want to get it immediately. And then what we do here, we create that Callable, we give it a number, then we create an executor service, we submit that task, which is the one that will calculate Callable, factorial for us. Then we store that whatever it returns to us in the future object, and remember that future just represents that result of a synchronous computation, which means results that will come later on. Then we are just saying we are starting doing something. We can just say doing something. Then we get the results. And we remember that this method is blocking. So it will wait for the computation while waits if necessary for computation to complete. Then it will execute this method, then execute this method. Then we are shutting down our executor service. So let's run this code. So doing something completed. Factorial of 10 is this much. Let's put 5. We know that factorial of 5 is 120. We calculate. Factorial of 5 is 120. So we see that if we take this method and we put this method here, we will not be able to get to do something before it's completed. So we don't get to do something and then, so it sort of blocks us first. So if we don't need to increase that, it's fine. For now it's fine. So we always have to put it, so we can even take it out of here and put it here. But if we do this, it will say completed before it completes, which is not what we are looking for. Say it's completed, but it had not. So if I have to increase this to 400, you'll see it say completed, but nothing is there already. So what we need to do, we need to put it before, because it blocks. Then we know when it says completed, we know that it has completed. So this is how Callable works, guys. You can return anything you want to return after the task is complete, because we see that it's generic.